Hey guys, it's Stephanie with Living Well Realty. I'm out here at Sandbrock Ranch. One of my buyers has a build job with Highland Homes, and this will be the final video because we're about to close in a couple days. So let's turn the camera around and see what's going on inside. Okay, so as you can see, everything is going to be pretty much done with the exterior and interior of the home. There will be some blue tape, which basically, you know, everybody's gone around, and there might be minor touch-ups with paint or caulking, things like that, that need to be fixed up until closing. But most of everything is going to be done inside and outside the home. So this is Highland Homes floor plan. It's the 274 floor plan. So we have some nice double doors here. Okay. Immediately to our left is going to be the office. Beautiful built-ins, big window for all that natural light. And then let's go over here to the right. So there's a little hallway with a full bath. And then a secondary bedroom here. A good sized closet. And then there's going to be another full bath, but this isn't attached to the front bedroom. And this bedroom was actually had the expanded option. And big closet here. And that's a linen closet straight ahead. Now, straight across the hallway is going to be a half bath, a mud area, and then this is going to be the utility bill. And this is actually off of the garage, and it's a 3-car tandem. You can see the epoxy the floor here. So lots of space. Okay, so going down this hallway, it opens up into the formal dining. And then over here to the right, it's going to be another bedroom, and it actually has a full bath in here as well. To the main living area, the kitchen. They have the nice big sliders. Look at all that cabinetry. Pantry. Lots of drawers and cabinets with the breakfast nook. And then this is the primary living with the fireplace to the ceiling there. Let's go across the living area. And so this is actually a game room, and then it is attached to a media. So now we'll walk across the home into the primary suite. So they do have the extended master here. So definitely a lot of room, and then master bath. Step down shower. And the walk-in closet. Okay, so now we can go out back and take a peek out there. Have the pavers put on the extended covered patio, so that is definitely a nice touch. And here's the backyard. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed that home. If you have any questions about the Sandbrock Ranch area, Prosper, or surrounding areas, I would love to help you. Please feel free, reach out. and I will talk to you later.